Okay, is triangle ABD congruent to triangle CBD by hypotenuse leg? And if so, name the legs that allow us to use that. Well, there are really going to be two possible pairs of legs here in this case, because they're not, well, I guess we couldn't really go by the visual, but they are touching, so I guess we can. Either that or this reflexively to itself. And which leg do we know? Well, we always know that something is reflexively congruent to itself. So that, and now we have the hypotenuse, congruent, given to us. We have the leg that is reflexively congruent to itself, and we see that we have a 90-degree angle there, and because it's a linear pair, we have a 90-degree angle there. So yes, they are congruent by hypotenuse leg, and we'll name the legs. And what is the leg? Well, for both of them, it's dB. We can just say dB is congruent to dB, because even if we were to flip it right on top of each other, we would see that the letters land in the same place. So I'm going to say dB is congruent to dB. I'm trying to get that in there. It's really small. Pretty tough to write. There you go. Good enough? Yes. And what legs? dB and dB. So we're done.